myself Lavanya, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce at Ratnam College of Arts and Science. Today we are discussing about the management accounting. In that we are going to discuss about the meaning, objectives, definition and scope of management accounting. So first, meaning of management accounting. It can be viewed as a management oriented accounting. Basically it is a study of management with remuneration and the financial decisions, etc. There are three main definitions. First is given by Institute of Chartered Accountants of England and Wales defines. He says that management accounting is that form of accounting which enables a business to be conducted more efficiently. So next is, according to R. and Anthony, management accounting is considered with accounting information that gives to the management. And third one is Professor J. Batty. He defines management accounting as the methods, systems and techniques which coupled with special knowledge, ability and excess of money and cash, etc. So next is objectives of management accounting. The first objective is uses of information. So primary function of management is uses of information. It presents accounting information in the form of enables the management, investors and creditors to analyze the financial statements. So second one is planning and policy formation. So planning is deciding in advance what is to be done. It helps the management of ineffective planning in the way of statistical data to utilize the management functions in the organization. So next one is decision making. Decision making is the important objective of management accounting. It helps the management to take decisions, accounting data to solve various management problems. So next one is motivating. By setting goals, planning the best and economic courses of action and also by measuring the performance of the managers and the employees. So next one is controlling. So management accounting helps management in controlling the performance of the organization. Next one is coordinating operations. It helps the management in controlling the performance of the organization and the actual performance is compared with operating plans, standardized profits, etc. So next one is reporting. One of the primary objectives of management accounting is reporting, is to keep the management fully informed about the positions of the acknowledgement and the knowledge of the customers. So next one is help in organizing. Organizing is the process of allocating and arranging human and non-human resources to the organization. So next one is scope of management accounting. The first and main scope of management accounting is financial accounting. Management accounting is mainly concerned with the rearrangement of management accounting without a properly designed financial accounting system. And the next one is cost accounting. It plays a useful role in the operations and the activities of the management. And third one is revaluation accounting. So this is concerned with ensuring the capital is maintained intact in terms and policies. Thank you.